Well, it's time to rock the shorts and skirts, but are you embarrassed by the vein issues that you have on your legs? Here to talk about treatment, Norman Bein and Maria Bein of Vein Specialties, I should say Dr. Norman Bein.
Welcome back.
Yeah, well, thank you. Welcome back to you. This is very common. We're talking 80 million Americans have varicose veins. Exactly what are they?
The varicose veins are the incompetence of the veins you see on your skin. These are inherited. These do not come from work. These do not come from childbearing. These come from somebody in your family having given you weak veins. We see these quite frequently in the office. An enormous number of Americans have them. It's a cosmetic issue, but more importantly, your insurance pays for the procedures that will get rid of the varicose veins.
And Dr. Bein says that, Maria, because is that one of their main concerns of not calling? They think it's a cosmetic issue and my insurance won't cover it?
Very often, and many times the primary care physicians also are under the misdirection that it is a cosmetic issue. However, if they have symptoms, pain, aching, heaviness, cramping, then there's something more serious going on than just having those surface varicose veins. There's something deeper. And
connect the dots for me between varicose veins and blood clots.
Well said. When you realize that blood will clot if the blood does not move. So in a situation where blood sits in varicose veins, it will clot, causing you what we call superficial phlebitis. Importantly, underlying the varicose veins are possibly veins that are deeper in your leg that the blood is not flowing so well there, and that's why examination with ultrasound is most important to make sure that you are not a victim of deep vein thrombosis, which is blood clot.
Much more serious.
Much more serious, and these can go to your lungs. That's why if you have varicose veins, you need to be evaluated for underlying problems, and the underlying problems could be a silent killer.
All right, and as always, you bring photos with you so that you guys can see what it looks like and then what it looks like after treatment.
These are the type of procedures we perform in the office. The ultrasound always evaluates for us, and when we know that your problem is limited to these varicose veins, we treat these with laser, painless, in about 40 minutes, and you're out of the office, back to your normal lifestyle.
And as with some treatments, people tell you, bring somebody with you because you won't be able to drive home.
You could drive home, but the truth is if there were an accident, the lawyers would blame you, so we always have someone drive you. You can drive the next day, but because of the bandages that you have on, you might want someone driving you for the medical legal reasons.
And this right here
Isn't that phenomenal? These are the types of procedures I used to do in hospital as a vascular surgeon, with stripping, with scars, with general anesthesia, blood loss.
These look like two different legs.
I know. Believe me, the lady feels so much better having had this performed because all of the heaviness, aching, tiredness, and so forth are gone. This is done in the office with a laser procedure by me under a local anesthetic. We're feeding you chocolate, and you're out of the office in 40 minutes.
Are you really? Maria, is he telling the truth?
Chocolate and music. Chocolate and music.
Well, I have known these two for 2 years now, and you have never told me that you're feeding people chocolate.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Well, now the phone lines are going to melt down, Maria. Now, the screening, which is free, is so important.
It is very important. Actually, they've been very popular this year. We've been, thanks to you, communicating to a lot more people. We've actually extended into June, added a couple of days.
Okay.
10, 15-minute screening, ultrasound, and a brief history.
I think the takeaway is that if you have or you know someone who does have varicose veins, get them into our office.
That's it. And they'll get chocolate. I mean, come on. All right. If you want to get checked out, we hope you do. Vein Specialties, as you saw, free screenings at their office in Creve Coeur Wednesday, May 16th, and then Wednesday, May 23rd. Another screening, both free, at their Washington office Tuesday, May 22nd. To make an appointment, call St. Louis Vein Specialties at 866-626-VEIN. Always good to see you two.
You too.
Thank you very much. Chocolate. Matt, Virginia, chocolate.
And music. That's like our pregame warm-up here for Great Day, too.
Right.
Pretty much. Or during game, eating cupcakes over there.
That's true.
The Cards take on those little Cubbies again this afternoon, and our Deal Divas are hoping that the Redbirds score at least 6 runs.
You know why?
I don't know why. Tell me.
Because 6 is a serious number. No, really.
I did know.
No, the Cardinals score 6 runs in any game, and the next day you can get any size drink for just 50 cents at Mobile on the Run gas stations. The deal is good for coffee, fountain, or frozen drinks. Limit 4 per customer per day, and you can find a link to the deal in the Deal Diva section of GreatDaySt.Louis.com.
It's the fingers on a hand plus a thumb bar. Remember that last year?
Is a serious number.
It was catchy, all right? We
I met that
remember it.
guy. I
Did
love
you really?
chocolate.
You met the guy that sang the six. Yeah, too much chocolate. You're right. So, believe it or not, we have much more ahead in the next half hour of Great Day St. Louis.
We're talking money, and if you're anywhere close to retirement, some things to consider, especially considering that we are in an election year.
Ooh, interesting. And today's Great Day deal is for anyone who owns a computer. I'm thinking that's probably most of you. Find out how you can get a PC tune-up for half price. Plus, we're having the talk. Okay, no, not that one. It's the talk that you need to have with your parents as they grow closer to needing assisted living. A few ways to get the conversation started and map out a plan. Next.
Hi, I'm Kim from Massage Envy and all of that. Have a great day, St. Louis.